In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to bold text. So there's two ways that I'll show you. First, if you just select any text in your design and have it highlighted, at the bottom you'll see a menu pop up. You can scroll over and find Format. Inside of Format, you'll see the bold option right here. Now, if you don't want to bold the entire text box, maybe there's just a few words, I'll show you how to do that also. So we're going to uncheck that to make sure it's not bold, exit out of here. And what we'll need to do is click into our text to edit it. And depending on your method on your phone, you'll want to highlight the words you want to edit. I've got a keyboard right now, so I'm going to kind of come down here and just highlight a few things here. And so once I have them highlighted, and once you have your section highlighted on your phone, however it is, you'll want to come down here to the bottom row, which will probably be above the keyboard, and you'll see this bold icon right here. And if you click on that, it's going to bold just what you have highlighted. And so this is in the Canva's latest version, and everyone should have access to that by the time you're watching this. But at the top of your keyboard, it'll show all these different options, so it's really easy to make changes to specific highlighted sections of your text. It used to be a lot harder to do this, but now you can do it real easy as long as you have something highlighted. And so that's how you can bold text, whether you're trying to bold an entire text block or just a few words or phrases within your text box itself. Here on Canva Mobile.